Colton. Wrist shot, deflects on, taken away. Here comes Brown. Connor Brown all alone scores! Connor Brown with the finish, and it's 3-2 New Jersey.
Off to the races. Let's take a look at our $1 million replay brought to you by the New Jersey Lottery. Remember, anything can happen in Jersey, and Connor Brown has shown he can be pretty efficient on the breakaway. We've seen this a couple of times. Head up all the way, picks his spot over the glove of the goaltender Minor to give the Devils a 3-2 lead. And he had a breakaway all the way from